Hi! I see you're about to become smarter. This video will help you to improve your English language skills. So let's begin.
Abortion. Abortion. Abortion means deliberate termination of pregnancy. For example, concerns such as abortion and euthanasia. Concerns such as abortion and euthanasia. Synonyms: termination, miscarriage. Absence. Absence. Absence means state of being away from place or person. For example, the letter had arrived during his absence. The letter had arrived during his absence. Synonyms: non-attendance, non-appearance, absenteeism. Abundance. Abundance. Abundance means large quantity. For example, the tropical island boasts an abundance of wildlife. The tropical island boasts an abundance of wildlife. Synonyms: avalanche, deluge, rush. Abuse. Abuse. Abuse means improper use. For example, alcohol abuse. Alcohol abuse. Synonyms: misuse, misapplication, misemployment. Academy. Academy. Academy means place of study or training in special field. For example, a police academy. A police academy. Synonyms: educational institution, training establishment, center of learning. Acceptance. Acceptance. Acceptance means action of consenting to receive or undertake something offered. For example, charges involving the acceptance of bribes. Charges involving the acceptance of bribes. Synonyms: receipt, receiving, taking. Accordance. Accordance. Accordance means conformity or agreement. For example, there is good accordance between the values. There is good accordance between the values. Accountability. Accountability. Accountability means fact or condition of being accountable. For example, their lack of accountability has corroded public respect. Their lack of accountability has corroded public respect. Synonyms: responsibility, liability, answerability. Accusation. Accusation. Accusation means charge or claim that someone has done something illegal or wrong. For example, accusations of bribery. Accusations of bribery. Synonyms: allegation, charge, claim. Accused. Accused. Accused means person or group of people who are charged with or on trial for crime. For example, the accused was ordered to stand trial on a number of charges. The accused was ordered to stand trial on a number of charges. Synonyms: litigator, opponent in law, opponent. Acquisition. Acquisition. Acquisition means object acquired. For example, The legacy will be used for new acquisitions. The legacy will be used for new acquisitions. Synonyms: purchase, accession, addition. Acre. Acre. Acre means unit of land area equal to 4,840 square yards. For example, a 15-acre estate. A 15-acre estate. Synonyms: grounds, ground, fields. Activation. Activation. Activation means action or process of making something active or operative. For example, phones with voice activation. Phones with voice activation. Activist. Activist. Activist means person who campaigns to bring about political or social change. For example, activists have been calling for change. Activists have been calling for change. Synonyms: campaigner, reformer, demonstrator. Adaptation. Adaptation. Adaptation means action of adapting. For example, the adaptation of teaching strategy to meet students' needs. The adaptation of teaching strategy to meet students' needs. Synonyms: converting, conversion, alteration. Adjustment. Adjustment. Adjustment means small alteration or movement made to achieve desired fit or result. For example, I've made a few adjustments to my diet. I've made a few adjustments to my diet. Synonyms: adaptation, adapting, accustoming. Administrator. Administrator. Administrator means person responsible for running business, organization. For example, it says hospital administrators publicly repeated the same claims. It says hospital administrators publicly repeated the same claims. Synonyms: manager, director, managing director. Admission. Admission. Admission means statement of truth. For example, an admission of guilt. An admission of guilt. Synonyms: acknowledgement, acceptance, recognition. Adolescent. Adolescent. Adolescent means adolescent boy or girl. For example, the books are aimed at children and adolescents. The books are aimed at children and adolescents. Synonyms: teenager, youngster, young person. Advocate. Advocate. Advocate means supporter of cause. For example, he was an untiring advocate of economic reform. He was an untiring advocate of economic reform. Synonyms: champion, upholder, supporter.
Great! Watch again, practice the sound, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.